2006 Cadillac STS V6. What we got done on it? Factory converters, right there. Weird converters on this one. They're square. And there. Then we did a mid resonator delete. So basically it is true dual all the way back 2 1/4. And rear muffler delete there and there, also 2 1/4. And then also black 4-inch tips out the back to complete the look right there. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off, and there's the resonator we cut off. Dual in, dual out. So it is basically true dual all the way back. So guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell and all that. It is actually a Cadillac STS V8 NORTHSTAR. Ooh. Wow. Not your average Cadillac. Your sound decibels? Right at 120. That sounds phenomenal. That's what the NORTHSTAR is. Really nice pop to it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Start her up. Yeah, babe. Enjoy, guys.